Guys, look at this keyboard, all right? Look at this thing. Look how thick this keyboard is. Also, what I figured out is that with this keyboard, so like, let's say I open up a new tab, and I say like, hello, right? If I press www, it takes me back here, which is interesting. I don't really know if the other functions work for sure, but it's thick. Listen to this. It's cool, all right? And look at these arrow keys too. The arrow keys are kind of strange. And it's so thick, and it's split there. It's kind of cool though, but I'm not used to it though, like 100%.